great. Looks like it wants to push higher now. I want to go over here real quick and take a look at something, okay? The total supply and the market cap, all right? Because that means everything. Let's see here. Blockchain bets, where are we at? There we go. Obviously, your circulating supply and market cap is everything. Let's take a look at this as soon as it loads up. Here we go. All right, look at this. 1 billion total supply, $33 million market cap. All right, so this thing would have to 30x just to get towards that billion. If you believe this thing can 100x, it could do a lot more than that. All right, if you go down here, the all-time low was a year ago at 0.002. It is up just about a 16x from the bottom. Okay, and the all-time high was 12 days ago at almost 6 cents. 1 billion. All right, you go down through here, take a look at some stuff here real quick. Here we go. About Blockchain Bets is a one-stop for decentralized sports betting and online casinos. If that isn't two of the biggest things, sports betting and online casinos, huge money, huge money. All right. After the immense success of WCI, the spirit of truly decentralized betting is passed on to blockchain bets. World Cup Inu, the biggest World Cup token on ETH, has now transitioned to blockchain bets, passing on the torch to become the biggest DeFi betting hub. This thing has massive potential. 1 billion. All right, to give you an idea, Cardano has 30 or 40 billion, and it hit $3. Could this thing hit 20 or 30 bucks? I don't know. That's not financial advice. That is not what I'm saying. It's possible. What kind of market cap would that be? 1 billion tokens. That market cap right now is at 33. A 3x would put it at 100 billion. A 30x would put it at a billion. All right, a 30x from here, that would put it, about $1.20. I don't know, guys. Sky's the limit. In a bull run, anything can happen. If FOMO kicks in, blockchain bets, not financial advice, but if you're not invested in it, please go check it out, man. A lot of potential here. Absolutely. All right, on the daily, if we zoom in here on this price action, let's see what's going on here. We had overhead resistance, which is pretty obvious right through here. All right, and it's looks like it's getting a breakout of that. If you haven't yet, guys, please check out my level 3 membership. For 15 bucks, you can learn how to do all this stuff. 8 hours worth of videos. All right. I wish I would have known all this stuff the last bull run. I could have, I could have sold everything a lot higher instead of watching it go back down to almost nothing. I paid for a trading course, and I paid a lot more than 15 bucks. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to generate some income, so I put everything I know in there. It's worth, believe me, it's worth $15. The stuff I teach in there, just to learn how to use the Fibonacci, is worth its weight in gold. I would take that thing over any of this stuff. So go check it out, please. All right, it could change, could change a lot. Everything depends on where you sell. You can buy and hold and watch your wallet 100x, but if you never know when to sell, it isn't gonna do you any good. All right, we got the daily pushing up here. Okay, we got the breakout of this overhead resistance. Had the breakout. Looks like a retest down here. Let's put a trend line here. Looks like a retest right about there. Okay, and it looks like it's bouncing here. Any break of 0.041, 0.0410. All right, and this thing is really going to start tearing. We got the daily RSI reset at the bottom. We got the 12 heading up. It's bullish, a 51 to 45. We got the 8-hour bullish, a 67 and a 59. Now you can see that breakout more. All right, let's get that line. If you change it from the daily to the 4-hour to the 1-hour, this will change every time. But now you can see that breakout, retest, and now it's starting to go. All right, we got the weekly The weekly is actually bearish at a 71.85. It's trying to turn back up. The regular RSI in the bottom is turning up, and we don't have a monthly yet. Okay, but definitely looking for a breakout here. What kind of areas would we be looking for here? Because we are, where are we at here? Let's go back to the monthly. All right, yeah, I don't have much of a, not much of a chart here. Okay, let's go back to the daily here. First off, that break of the 0.0411, and then your next area up, would probably be right up here at about 0.0489. That would be about your next resistance area. That would be right there. Okay, and any break of that, let's put a fib on here and see. That's right at right about your 50%. And you have that 702 right up there at the 618 is at 0.0514, and any break of that 702 up here at 0.0541, right there, that green line, any break of that, you're probably looking for a new all-time high. Well, wait a second, we don't have that exactly on this top. I apologize. There we go. Want this exactly on the bottom. That 702, believe it or not, is a very crucial area. You either get rejected there or it goes higher. So keep an eye on that 0.0548. If we don't get rejected there and it busts through that, it's probably going to set a new all-time high. But all the RSIs are pointing up. We have a breakout of this resistance area here. You can see it and a retest. So this thing should be heading up. Blockchain bets, go check it out, guys. Could be the next big winner in crypto. You never know. All right, now you got to do your own research with stuff like that. Take a look at it, see what you think, and but sometimes you don't want to wait too late because then your opportunity sometimes might just pass you by. So you got to jump on board sometimes. All right, guys, have a great day. I will be back with you very soon. Thanks a lot.